Hello everyone, so YouTube 2025 recap is here and I'm going to show you how to see your YouTube recap. As you can see, I have 2025 recap here and I can actually view the 2025 recap from my account. So if you don't have this option, first open your Chrome browser and go to the search bar and in the address bar type youtube.com/recap and just press enter and this will take you to this page. As you can see, looking for 2020 recap and you have to open YouTube here and this will take you to your YouTube account or YouTube app and this will start to show you the 2025 YouTube recap. And still, if you don't get this, go to the Play Store and make sure your YouTube app is up to date. So if you have update option, you make sure to update the YouTube application, and after updating, if you're still not seeing this, YouTube is saying that recap is rolling out globally throughout the week, so you can try the Chrome method or you will have the recap in tomorrow. So this is how you can watch the YouTube recap. Just tap right corner on your account and you can see here's the year 2025 recap. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.